ang tinatanong ko, feasible ba yung last quarter ng 2026? They're working on it, but yung initial sagot sa akin, parang pwede naman. But remember, those are the engineering side. So the engineers and the architect, they have parang alam nila yung procurement law, but is it 35 days or 90 days to bid, di ba? Or do you need a legal opinion from DOJ bago i-bid? So kaya gusto kong maano yung that's why ako sumulat sa DPWH ng bakit 36 to 48, paki-breakdown nyo, di ba? And I'm hoping they were just being conservative, and I'm hoping that at least a year or two there is just really process na pwede nating tanggalin, di ba? Kasi di ba kahit naman pag nagpagawa ka rin ng bahay, di ba? Pag sinabi mong sabay-sabay gawin 'yan, di ba? Damihan mo yung or work even on these days. Kaya naman mas mabilis eh. Thank you everyone. God bless. I'll be around naman.